Looking for the ultimate grip and protection on your climbs? Best gloves for rope climbing are designed to keep your hands safe while giving maximum control. Discover comfort, durability, and performance for every challenging ascent. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. ihuan gloves for rope climbing. The ihuan gloves for rope climbing are engineered for climbers and fitness enthusiasts who want full hand protection while maintaining comfort and grip. Made from 100% neoprene, these gloves are not only durable but resistant to water, oils, heat, and aging, making them a reliable companion for intense workouts and outdoor climbs. One of the standout features is the full palm protection with a cushioned foam pad that absorbs impacts from equipment, reducing calluses and hand fatigue. The built-in wrist wraps provide superior support during heavy lifting, cross-training, and Olympic-style exercises like snatches or front squats, minimizing the risk of wrist injuries. ihuan also focused on breathability, incorporating ultralight microfiber on the back of a hand, allowing air circulation to keep hands dry and comfortable. The Velcro wrist closures make it easy to adjust the tightness for a personalized fit, ensuring stability without sacrificing mobility. These gloves are suitable for men, women, and teenagers, making them versatile for both gym training and rope climbing. The combination of durability, comfort, and ergonomic design makes the ihuan gloves ideal for athletes who require both protection and flexibility during high-intensity exercises. Whether you're performing pull-ups, weightlifting, or climbing ropes, these gloves help enhance performance while preventing injuries and discomfort. With fewer rips, better ventilation, and long-lasting material, ihuan gloves stand out as a premium choice for anyone seeking reliable hand protection during demanding physical activities. Number 2. Trideer gloves for rope climbing. Trideer gloves for rope climbing are crafted for both professional and amateur climbers and fitness enthusiasts who prioritize wrist support and full hand protection. Featuring thick padding and a full palm design, these gloves buffer impacts from equipment and reduce friction, preventing blisters and calluses. The standout feature is the integrated 18-inch wrist brace wrap, which stabilizes the wrist during heavy lifts and climbing maneuvers, greatly lowering the risk of injury. Trideer gloves utilize ultralight, breathable microfiber on the back of the hand, ensuring comfort and moisture control during prolonged workouts. The hexagonal silica gel anti-slip design enhances grip, making rope climbing, pull-ups, or weightlifting safer and more effective. Additionally, the pull buckle on the fingertips allows for easy removal, adding to convenience. These gloves are multifunctional and suitable for various exercises, including rowing, kettlebells, and general gym workouts. The brand emphasizes a humanized design, catering to different hand sizes and ensuring an optimal fit, especially for women, with size S often recommended for female users. Overall, Trideer gloves provide a balanced combination of protection, grip, and comfort. The focus on durable materials, ergonomic wrist support, and breathability makes these gloves an excellent choice for climbers and fitness enthusiasts looking to improve performance while minimizing hand and wrist strain. With careful sizing and versatile use cases, Trideer gloves are reliable companions for any challenging physical activity, whether indoors or outdoors. Number 3. ATERCEL gloves for rope climbing. ATERCEL gloves for rope climbing offer upgraded protection and comfort, ideal for climbers and athletes engaged in high-intensity workouts. These gloves incorporate high-density sponge padding on the palms, for times thicker than standard materials, providing enhanced cushioning without compromising grip or flexibility. The full palm design optimizes hand protection, reducing calluses and friction during rope climbing or gym exercises. Made from lightweight, stretchy, and breathable materials, ATERCEL gloves allow for a flexible fit while maintaining ventilation, preventing excessive sweating and discomfort. The back of the glove is crafted for breathability, enabling longer wear during intense training sessions. These gloves are versatile, suitable for indoor gym workouts and outdoor activities like cycling or climbing. The anti-slip palm design ensures a secure grip on ropes, bars, or weights, enhancing safety and performance. A unique toweling panel on the back allows users to wipe away sweat conveniently, keeping hands dry during rigorous activity. ATERCEL gloves balance durability, cushioning, and comfort, making them suitable for beginners and professional athletes alike. Their ergonomic design supports various exercises, from pull-ups and weightlifting to climbing, without sacrificing dexterity. Users benefit from long-lasting materials that withstand daily training while providing maximum hand protection. Overall, ATERCEL gloves for rope climbing are a reliable option for anyone seeking a combination of comfort, grip, and superior hand safety during demanding physical activities, indoors or outdoors. Number 4. FREETOO gloves for rope climbing. FREETOO gloves for rope climbing are designed to deliver full hand protection, comfort, and superior grip, making them an excellent choice for climbers and fitness enthusiasts. The gloves feature padded, abrasion-resistant palms with silica gel anti-slip points, enhancing grip and reducing friction while minimizing calluses and blisters. Breathability and comfort are prioritized with vented stretch mesh across the fingers and back of the hands, allowing heat to disperse and keeping hands cool during long workouts. The wide-open net design is ideal for hot weather or sweaty hands. Double-stitched 3-layer pads increase durability, allowing climbers to push harder with confidence, while soft terry on the thumb provides additional comfort. The adjustable wrist strap with hook and loop closure ensures a secure fit and enhanced wrist stability. The pull tab design enables easy removal, even after intensive training. These gloves excel in both climbing and general fitness activities, offering a balance of protection, grip, and ventilation. FREETOO gloves are suitable for men and women, providing ergonomic comfort for extended use. Whether scaling ropes, performing pull-ups, or engaging in weightlifting, these gloves protect the hands while maintaining flexibility and breathability. The combination of durability, cushioning, and user-friendly design makes FREETOO gloves a versatile and dependable option for anyone seeking reliable protection and comfort in high-intensity physical activities. Number 5. Petzl gloves for rope climbing. Petzl gloves for rope climbing are engineered for climbers who demand durability, comfort, and precision. Unlike bulkier gloves, the Petzl Cordex model achieves a balance between dexterity and protection, featuring soft premium leather that requires no break-in period. High-traffic areas such as fingertips and the space between thumb and forefinger are reinforced to extend glove lifespan while protecting against abrasions and wear. The lightweight design, weighing only 115 g 4 ounces, ensures ease of movement and minimal hand fatigue. The back is made from stretch nylon, offering breathability and flexibility, while the supple leather palm maintains grip and performance without adding bulk. The gloves feature a simple, yet secure Velcro hook and loop wrist closure for a customizable fit and stability. An integrated carabiner hole allows easy storage and racking on harnesses or gear racks, making them convenient for climbers on the go. Petzl gloves are suitable for a range of activities, from rope climbing and weightlifting to other outdoor and indoor workouts, delivering consistent protection and comfort. The combination of durability, lightweight design, and ergonomic construction makes Petzl gloves an outstanding choice for serious climbers seeking reliable performance, long-lasting protection, and comfort in every ascent. With reinforced areas, breathable materials, and thoughtful design, these gloves provide safety and functionality for all skill levels. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.